Morning students. In sequence of the topics in number system, today I am going to discuss operation on real numbers. Here operation on real numbers means we are going to discuss what will happen, what will be the result if sum or difference, that is if we are going to add one rational and one irrational, or if we are going to subtract rational and irrational numbers. What will be the product or the quotient if a non-zero rational number and an irrational number is going to be processed? And if we are adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing two irrational, what will be the result? Let's take example to understand this. Take first case and sum of one rational and one irrational. For rational, let's take example. Suppose rational is 2, and for irrational, let's take example 2. Then what will be the result? It is irrational or irrational? It is irrational. Now take different example. Suppose 2 plus under root 3. This is also an irrational. In this case, let's take subtraction of rational and irrational also. So here also take the example under root 2 minus under root 2. This is also an irrational number. And if we are going to take under root 3 minus 2, irrational and irrational, here under root 3 is irrational and 2 is rational, and we are subtracting, then it is also an irrational number. In second case, we are discussing product of one rational and one irrational. For example, take 2 into 1 irrational. You can take under root 2 or under root 3, then you will get 2 under root 2, and you know that it is irrational. Similarly, you can take 2 under root 3. This is also 2 under root 3 and irrational. Now here is a one rational. We know that 0 is also a rational. So if you are multiplying 0 with any irrational, then we get here 0, and 0 is a rational. Okay, so if we are going to make a result, then we can say that product of non-zero rational and irrational, the result will be irrational. But if we are taking 0 and multiplying it with irrational, then the result will be rational. Similarly, if we are taking quotient of a non-zero rational with irrational, then again non-zero take in 2 and quotient with irrational, then what is it? It is also a irrational number. Okay, why it is taken non-zero? Because if we are taking 0 upon any irrational, suppose under root 3, under root 2, anything, cube root 3, cube root 2, so this is also the result will be 0, and 0 is rational. Okay, in third case, let's discuss addition of two irrational. So addition of two irrationals, take example under root 2 plus under root 2. Here is 2 under root 2, that's why 2 under root 2, and it is irrational. Okay, take different irrationals. Suppose under root 2 plus under root 3, then this is your also irrational. Okay, now if you are going to subtract, in case of subtraction, here arises two cases, and one case is if we are taking same irrational numbers, like under root 2 minus under root 2, then we get 0, and 0 is a rational number. But if we are going to take different irrationals, under root 2, under root 3, or any different, then we will get the result irrational. So here two case arises. Now discuss multiplication. In multiplication, 2 under root 2 under root 3, then inside the under root 2 into 3, and it is your 6. Okay, when you are taking different irrationals, but if you are taking same irrational under root 2 and under root 2, then what will be 2 2 under root 2 multiplied by 2, and you know that it is under root, that's why it when it comes outside it is 2, and 2 is rational. But here in this case under root 6 is irrational. So here also two different cases are arise when we are taking same irrationals and different irrationals. Okay, in case of quotient also, in case of division, let's same if you are going to take, then it will be cancelled out and we will get 1, and 1 is rational. But if we are taking under root 2 under root 3, then it is different don't get cancelled out and we get irrational. And when we are taking, okay, so here also two cases arises, that's why if we are taking if we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrationals, the result may be rational also and irrational also. And here the product or quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational also, what we have discussed. Here it is said non-zero, that's why irrational, and here is also non-zero, that's why irrational. But when we have taken 0 and 0, then we got rational number. Okay, now the first case what we have discussed, the sum and or difference of rational with irrational, then the answer will be always irrational, like you have seen here 2 under root 2, 2 plus under root 3, and 2 minus under root 2, under root 3 minus 2. Okay, so all these were the operations on real numbers.